In this tutorial, we are going to show how to delete PDF bookmarks with specific words in the titles. We are using the Auto Bookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. Open the bookmark panel that is located to the right of the screen. Locate the bookmarks you want to delete and identify the unique keyword in the titles. In this example, we are going to delete all bookmarks with the keyword table. Click on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click on the Plugins menu. Next, click on the Bookmarks menu. Next, locate the Modify Bookmarks menu and click on it. Select the Find and Edit Bookmarks Properties menu and click on it. Type in your selected keyword in the Find What box. Select appropriate options such as bookmark levels for processing. Choose Delete Bookmark Action from the pull-down menu. Press OK button to apply. All bookmarks with the keyword table are now deleted from the PDF document.